Hi there, I'm Vlad Director of Sales and Marketing at Point Grey Research, and we're here at the Automate Show in Chicago, and I will be telling you all about the products we are demonstrating here in our booth. So first of all, here we have our Gazelle camera, which is a camera link camera using the Simosis global shutter CMOS sensors. There are two models, the 4 megapixel and the 2 megapixel. These cameras are now in production and in stock and ready for your orders. Here we have the Grasshopper 2 camera, and we have two versions, which one shown here. One is the Firewire version and the other one is the Gigabit Ethernet version. They're both running at 30 frames per second. The color version is the 2 megapixel ICX274 sensor, and the other one, which is a new model, which is using the ICX285 sensor, which is also running at 30 frames per second, and that's the black and white version. Here we're showing the Fleet 3 camera, which is our ultra-compact, affordable model, and it's available both in the Gigabit Ethernet version as well as the Firewire S800 version. The Gigabit Ethernet version that we're showing here is running 1/3 inch, 1.3 megapixel Sony CCD, and the Firewire version is running the 1/4 inch VGA 120 frames per second CCD. Both of the CCDs are using the Sony EXView HAD sensor technology, which allows the sensor to have very sensitive and quite small pixels. And finally, here we're showing our USB 3 version of the Fleet 3 camera. This camera is using the Sony IMX036 CMOS sensor running at 60 frames per second doing 1080p. The camera is doing color processing as well, producing 16-bit pixels. So altogether, we're sending 120 megabytes worth of data over the USB 3 connection. The color processing is done on the camera as well, and all this is done at less than 2.5 watts. I gotta say, the camera is pretty cool, and it runs pretty cool. So I hope you enjoyed our demonstrations here, and thank you very much.